हाय दोस्तों, एक बार फिर से आपका स्वागत है मेरी इस नई वीडियो में, जिसमें हम आज जानेंगे प्रधानमंत्री जी के द्वारा इंटरपोल जनरल असेंबली में दिए गए उनके भाषण को। चलो दोस्तों, शुरू करते हैं आज का वीडियो। लेट्स गो।
आर बिकमिंग इनवर्ड लुकिंग, इंडिया कॉल्स फॉर मोर नॉट लेस international cooperation. Global cooperation for local welfare is our call. Friends, this is an inclusive view of law enforcement. Police forces across the world are not just protecting people, but are furthering social welfare. They are also at the front line of society's response to any crisis. It was most visible during the COVID-19 pandemic. Across the world, police personnel put their own lives at risk to help people out. Many of them even made the ultimate sacrifice in service of the people. I pay my respect to them. Even if the world comes to halt, the responsibility of keeping it safe does not go away. The Interpol remained functional 24/7 even during the pandemic. Friends, India's diversity and scale are hard to imagine for those who have not experienced it. It is home to the highest mountain ranges, one of the driest deserts, some of the thickest forests, and many of the world's most densely populated cities. India packs the future of continents in just one country. For example, India's most populous state, Uttar Pradesh, has a population close to that of Brazil. Our capital, Delhi, has more people than the whole of Sweden. Friends, the Indian police at the federal and state levels cooperate to implement more than 900 national and around 10,000 state laws. Add to this the diversity of India's society. People from all the major religions of the world live here. There are hundreds of languages and dialects spoken. Massive festivals attract millions of devotees. For example, Kumbh Mela, the largest and longest spiritual mass gathering in the world, had 240 million pilgrims. With all this, our police forces work with respecting the diversity and rights of the people promised by the Constitution. They not only protect the people, but also serve our democracy. Take the scale of India's free, fair, and massive elections.